Hello, my crafty friends. Well, I'm back in my scavenger hunt journal. I feel like it's been a while since I've actually done anything in here, um, I like working in here, so I'm wanting to get back into it. I'm going to work on this page. Um, Let me find something to put underneath here so it'll lay flatter. um, Also, let's do this. There we go. Now then, um, this page, I wanted to start with the coffee ring stain. And I got some coffee here because I'm drinking tea. And I don't want to use my tea that has heavy whipping cream and stevia in it to make my stain. So, besides, it said coffee. Anyway, I'm just going to do this. We'll see what kind of ring we get out of that. We may do more than just one. Because if one's good, three is more better, right? Okay. I need to. I had a paper towel here somewhere to set that on. So, okay. We'll go dye some paper with that later. Okay. And I want, besides my coffee ring, I wanted something else on the page. I didn't want to just have this. I'm going to pause and draw this real quick, then we'll move on, though. Okay. That's dry. The next thing that I want to do is it said to mend something that's broken. And I had this inked up paper left from a project that I did on the Sunday evening hop that Mary does. And so I cut a heart out of it, and I decided that we're going to, if I can tear it, we're going to try to mend a broken heart here. And that's not easy to do. So first of all, I want to mend this broken heart with words, because I believe words are powerful. And I have these. I don't even know if these work. If they don't, I'll go on to something else. But I'm trying to see. I got these in with all of these things. I'm going to do those on another page later. I got them out, and then I decided I wanted to do this page. So we're going to do this page instead. But anyway, they're just some little ink pads. But I'm going to ink up my words if it'll work. Okay, it's going to be kind of messy, but that's okay. And so we're going to heal this broken heart with the words that help a lot of things. You are loved. I'm going to go ahead and see if we can put it down a few more times, because you have to be told more than once to believe it, especially when your heart's broken. So we're going to use those words, and then we're going to, sometimes our heart's broken because we're told, or we begin to believe, that we're not worthy, that there's something not right about us. And so I'm going to use this little washi tape that says you are lovely. So not only are you loved, you are lovely. You're worth loving. And then another way that you can heal a broken heart is to stop thinking about yourself and or how you're feeling, and find the good in the other person, in the situation, whatever. That sometimes will heal your heart too. So we're repairing this broken heart with love. And some people think coffee would probably help. I don't know, but with the knowledge that they're not only loved but worth loving, and finding the good in others, I want to ink around the heart. Let's ink around it in black if this works. Like I said, I just got these in with those ink pad. I mean those foam stamp things, and so I didn't know if they would even work, but it's working, both of them. Oh, I should have inked the broken part of the heart first before I put everything on it, but we're not going to emphasize the brokenness. We're going to emphasize the healing. Okay. And I'm going to glue that down. Okay, so here is our coffee ring stain and repair something page. And I like it. Let's find the numbers for those. Okay. Coffee ring stain, and that's on page 72. And repair something that's broken. Where is that? Something repaired. Okay. Something repaired. So there we go. We got something repaired, and we got a coffee stain. And I'm perfectly happy with that page, just like that. We're going minimalist today. Oh, and I hope the message is good as well, because repairing things that are broken is not always easy. God bless you. Bye-bye.